Lucian, what do you say about this resounding victory, a massive comeback for you?
Can I just maintain one minute silence?
A massive comeback for you, a resounding victory. How do you look at it?
I am humbled. I am deeply touched. And I am very grateful. You can see the tears of joy and happiness on my face. Because the people of Naveli constituency, and especially all my supporters, have shown their love, have shown their affection, had showered their blessings, especially because I had been in Delhi for nearly 8 years, serving the Congress party at the national level, and it is only at the last moment to all their demands, I don't know, I accepted to contest. I did not have even 10 clear days after 10 years to go back to the doorsteps of the people, which I deeply felt it is my sacred duty and responsibility, even after 10 years to go, because I was preoccupied with so many of my responsibilities as a PCC president, the preparation of the vision document, the mission statement, the manifesto, the meetings of our leaders from Delhi. But in spite of that, they have accepted me with open arms.
You handpicked.
The people have blessed me, which I can never forget in my life.
You handpicked some youngsters and who have also come out victorious, maybe in Nuve, maybe in Kunkoli.
No, as far as the state level,
Yeah. How do you look at the Congress
let me
performance?
say one thing. Today, again, I feel very, very overwhelmed because I had always the faith on the people of Goa. Even though some of our senior leaders were saying that we will not get more than 2 or 3 seats in this legislative assembly, I had faith in our organization.